Welcome to Pups and Pets. Senegal Parrot, the colorful and relatively small Senegal, is remarkable, quiet, and calm. It can talk and mimic, although it is not for the most prolific talker. It has affectionate, loving, fun disposition. It is comical, antics, and entertainment and playful. This charming is also less expensive than most parrot and is more widely available in ordinary pet stores. Most tropical birds. The Senegal parrot is native to the woods of central western Africa. The Mycelius genus of parrot is a group that includes 30 species of Central Africa identified by stocky bodies, short tails, and relatively large heads and beaks. Head-feed snakes make extraordinary pet and are known for being comical and entertaining. Most well-socialized snakes have amiable personality, but potential owners should be aware that snakes have a tendency to become one-person bird and may not be desired interaction with other family members. While this is not always true, it does happen on occasion. Having all the members of family interaction with your snake will help ensure that this one person bonding doesn't occur. Charming and highly trainable, these little parrots have a knack for being a great source of entertainment and amusement for their owner. While they are not nearly as common as African greys or cockatiels, they have earned a reputation as being an easygoing and playful companion bird. Snakes can talk and mimic, although they tend to be considerably quieter than many other parrots. Compared to other parrots, they are not known for their talking ability, but they can learn to speak. They can learn to say a couple of dozen words. All birds make noise. Snakes are not silent, they are merely quieter and less squeaky than other species of birds. Parrots. Their vocalizations are mostly whistling and clucking noises. A Senegal parrot may be the right choice for you if you live in an apartment or if your space cannot tolerate a loud bird. A striking feature of this charming little bird is dark head. Mature singles' heads are grey and their wings are adjusted as green. On their bellies they sport a V-shaped patch of color ranging from yellow and orange and to red, depending on subspecies. Because it is on the smaller size, a Senegal parrot does not require a huge cage. At the minimum, it cage a neat when 20 inches by 20-inch footprint and 28 inches in height. Larger is always preferable. The cage should not be coarse, be more substantial if you are keeping two birds. Bar spacing should be about 3 by 4 inch. Equip the cage with several horizontal bars to serve as bridges. Prospective owners should be also plan to invest in a variety of toys and accessories for their bird. Snaggle can be strong, durable, so it is a good idea to provide them with a toys to exercise their beaks. Thanks.